What's up, guys? Just arrived at these hills about 50 miles away from my home. I've been here like years ago. Came here to explore them. Really nice place with some waterfalls, some mountain rivers going on here with really sheer drops. It's insane, really beautiful spot. So I thought I'm gonna come here again with a fresh eye and see what I can see. The weather is not great, it's quite overcast. There are some tiny rain showers and things like that, so it's not perfect. I'm definitely not gonna get any cinematic light today, but I mean, considering the place, it's beautiful. So hopefully I'll be able to grab a shot or two. Wish me luck. All right, it took me a while to set up. I'm not in a very... oh crap, I'm ruining my white balance. Okay, that will do. I need to learn how to log the thing. So basically I'm trying to photograph this stream right in front of me with all of these beautiful boulders in it and some tree branches. I'm going for f4 and I'm underexposing it by a bit, by one stop. And to increase my shutter speed, I'm going for ISO 400. It's not ideal, but should work. Oh yes. All right, I think I found one more shot. It's this beautiful, very small waterfalls right there. So I'll try to, with my long lens, try and capture some cool shot. Again, I'm going for f4, focusing on that big boulder, ISO 400, and I'm underexposing by one stop. And to make sure that images are going to be sharp, I'm just leaning against this tree. And here we go. Yes. Although it would be cool to try with my variable ND filter, but I don't have a tripod. Silly me. Oh well, keep on marching, I guess. All right, I think I found one more shot with this log. Kinda unassuming, but I think it might make for a good image. So let's grab a few shots. Might be useful in the future. All right, so far it's going well. Oh wow, this is magnificent. Just look at this. I think I'm gonna have to take off my 70-200 and put on like a wide-angle lens, or even maybe try with my long lens and zoom all the way in. Hopefully I'll be able to find a spot where I can do that. That bridge that I'm standing on might get in the way, but that waterfall looks stunning. Yeah, let's see if I can find a good spot and let's try to take an image. Okay, I'm basically got my 70 to 200 and I zoomed about 100 mil, and I'm standing on the same bridge. I couldn't find any spot underneath the bridge. I'm gonna need to come back here, I guess, with my hiking boots and see if I can go down. It's quite wet. So yeah, I'm zoomed almost half the way in at 100 mil, and I'm going for F11, and I'm trying to slow down my shutter speed. It's gonna be a bit tricky. I got about half a second and trying to slow down that water. So let's see if I'll succeed. Oh yeah. Right. Unfortunately, I'm wrapping things up because it's 7:30 and it's gonna get dark quite soon, and I still got about an hour's driving back home, so I need to hurry a little bit. But oh man, this place is super beautiful. I forgot over these years how beautiful this place is, and I'm definitely gonna have to come back here and just this time give myself way more time, set out as early as possible, and just to come here and explore. This hiking path goes all the way up the hill, and there are some even more beautiful places. There is like a stunning cave. I definitely would like to try, see if I can capture this one. Maybe something similar like I've done years ago in a Lake District, in the so-called I think it's called Riddle Cave or something like that. I'll put a picture right here, right now, where I essentially took a composite image with a cave, and then I took essentially like a selfie of myself with a flash on a tripod, and then I basically composited the image and made this one like a cool shot in the cave where you can see all the details, including myself. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna do something similar with this cave. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick excursion into this fantastic place here, just about 50 miles outside my home. And if you enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing, share, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one, maybe in the same place. See ya.